In this video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at the bar tab and table tracking feature on the XE-A217 register. So the 217 has a limited tab and print bill feature. It's all done under their guest lookup function. So the till has a GLU or guest lookup button. To set up a tab, so if someone comes in and orders something and you want to hold it on a tab because they might order a few extra things and then pay at the end, you type in a tab number. So we'll set up tab number 5 and then you press the GLU button. You must set the tab up at the start, so you must type in the number and then press the GLU at the start before you enter the items. It doesn't work if you type in the items first. So we've set up the tab. We now need to add our items. So you basically add the items as you would do in a normal sale. Once you've added all the items, the NBAL button acts as what I would call a tab layaway function. So it basically saves the tab, and if you've got the receipt printed, if you've got the receipt turned on, it will then print out a receipt. If you've got receipt switched off, it won't print it out, so you might want to adjust your settings as to whether you have the receipt on or off. So we'll just tear that away. The till's now ready to use, even though it says GLU5, tab 5 at the bottom, the till's ready to use, so you can come along and just put in a normal non-tab sale. I'm actually going to turn that receipt off. So we go to function menu, arrow down to receipt switch, and then we arrow down to off, and then there we go, the receipt's now switched off, so we can now see how it operates without the receipt on. So if you now want to, if your people from tab number 5 come back and want to add some more items, the adding items is exactly the same as opening the tab in the first place. So you type in the tab number, press GLU, and that brings up the subtotal of their tab so far. So you can add in whatever else they order. And then again, you simply press NBAL to lay that away. And then again, the till's ready to use. If you want to print a bill, so if they now come back and say we want to settle up, because you've now got the receipt not switched on, you open the tab, and then when you press NBAL to lay it away, you've then got the option to print the receipt by pressing this button here, GC receipt, and that'll print a bill. So we've got a total of $26.50. When they actually pay the bill, you need to then reopen the tab, so 5 GLU, and then you can cash the tab off in the normal way. So if they handed over £30 for argument's sake, you then cash it off that way, and then you get a proper receipt printout. I've done a couple of other videos on how you can do a report by tab and how to check how many tabs you've got open, and they should be appearing on screen about now. For more information on using the 217 and other Sharp cash registers, you can either subscribe to our YouTube channel and or you can visit sharphelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.